coat of the number 25 pure white, and then yours applies 1 quarter number 27, which is the milky white. Just kind of tone the white down a little bit because you want a softer look. Here for 60 seconds. And here's your milky white. It's like really, really, really milky. Like it's more like a clear look. Applies 1 more coat of the milky white. So I do 2 nails so then you can see an idea of if you do white, pure white and milky white, all you're doing is milky white and milky white. However you would like, so you pick your own preference. So I'm going to clear this one as well for 60 seconds. So now it's important, if you do gel polish, in order for it to really get your sticker stay on really cool and really well on, really well on. There's a lot of different ways to do. And you can also, now you can even do your with your gel polish, but then it might be a little bit thicker though. So let's do it in a thinner way. So let's apply our sticker, but before we apply our stickers, that's some tip and trick and some techniques though. So if you have some other techniques, this is one of the techniques I am using, but if you have some other techniques, that would be awesome. Because if you are working along with me today, I would love to see your beautiful nails. Here. Let me see. Well, congratulations, Lotus. Congratulations. Hi, Cece. All right, so this is a 2 coat of the milky, and I am going to do a no wipe top coat. How are you, Cece? How's your days going? Top coat on. And then now we pick any flowers you want. Is there other flowers too? Oh, what's that? Over here, I select some of them. All right, I select some of them. So there's a lot of them. There's so many flower set. Can you get me the album there? And you can mix and match. They're super cute flowers. Or even like a flower set number 1, 2, 3. The other ones, maybe. I have this one. I love it also. I think I don't remember the flower set number. It's flower set number 1, 2, 3. I think. It's funny I say number 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I got this there. Can you get this one? And that one. There's so many. Is super cute sticker. You definitely can take advantage from it and do so many cute designs. All right, so I'm gonna take it out. There's so many of them, so I'm gonna take a few of them, okay? And looks how colorful it is. It's all under. It's like you can definitely doing that one. Look at this. It's super cute and thin. So now I have a top coat already, and this sticker will actually suck right into the top coat. Okay, and here's in front of me is like 100 different kind right here with the flowers. So you pick what you want to put it on. I'm gonna do some of this. I'm gonna get some colors on it. And you can also cut your flowers, okay? You don't have to stick with just like just flowers only. And look at how easy we can just pick our sticker out from our like sheet of the stickers. All it trendiest, newest one. And I'm gonna get some, maybe I'll get some bright colors in there. It's kind of fun to do milk bath nails. I want to get some leaves on it too. You can cut, you can trim the leaf a little bit if you want to. And you can lay on the top of each other's, okay? Hello, Debbie. Oh, I see. Hello, Debbie. How are you? Good to see you. So this is for all the folks who do gel polish. You can do it for short nails or long nails. I can't wait to see your beautiful creation. Sorry, I smile a little bit. And now you can layer them. You want more, you can add it more, because in a little bit we are going to, oh, I want this one. This is the newest one too. Let me see. I'm gonna get this smaller leaf right there. Super cute, and just pick it. That's just that easy. Right there. I'm picking the pink one. It's so easy with our dual tweezers. Did I miss anyone? I'm sorry if I miss anyone, because the comment is going so fast though. Hello everyone, and Eva BA team. Hello BA team. Because I make sure I don't want. Okay, so before I get a lot of going on there, I think I got maybe one more tiny flowers there. Maybe too much. I might just a little bit. Okay, blue. Oh, so beautiful.
Yes, so if you guys look for the tweezer, it is on the website under tools. And we do have a sale going on, so grab them there.
This is going to be your bestie for sticker, chamfer foil. If you don't have one, just get one. It's only like $9, $8, but then you get 30% off on the two as well on some select items. So grab it, because it's gonna make sure it's like picking all that flowers and everything is so much better. Okay, so now I'm done with this one. It looks super cute, right? It looks like a chamfer foil, but this is different, that you can select however flowers you want and you can place them wherever you want it. So now I am going to do, make sure it's pressed all good. And I'm going to go right into with my no wipe top coat to cap that one. And here for just a 30 seconds. Hello Starburst, how are you? Hi Jennifer, how are you? Blessed Nail by Bella, hello. Hello China, how are you? Hi Laurie, how are you? Thank you so much for tuning in. And I'm going to using number 27. Again, which is Milky White. And I'm going to coat one coat over our top coat. Thin coat. So now, if you want yours, okay, so if you want your flower to look more is really depends, okay? Keeping your, it really depend on your preference. If you want your milk bath nails it to be really deep into the milk and it have more milk than the flowers, then do the number 25. But if you are doing it to make your milk bath, it get more flowers on, so you do it number 27. So it really depends. So now you can see that it's like soften it. It doesn't look like it gets like just the flowers. So it's, you have like just, you know, soft look. And then you can clear this one and top coat it. Hi Audrey, how are you? Happy Thursday. And we are going to cure for 60 seconds.